Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango chipotle glazed salmon, cooked on a cedar plank and topped with a fresh mango salsa. It's a lovely summer recipe. Now first off, you're going to want to soak your cedar plank. You can soak it according to the package directions for the plank that you have, but I like to soak my plank for a minimum of 1 hour. And while your plank is soaking, it is the perfect time to make the mango salsa and the glaze. The glaze starts by combining mango juice, maple syrup, minced garlic, ground ginger, onion powder, and chipotle chili powder. Whisk together and bring to a simmer. And you'll want to cook the glaze until reduced and starts to coat a spoon. About 10 to 15 minutes. And once the sauce is reduced, you can remove it from the heat and stir in a little bit of Dijon mustard, a dab of butter to make the glaze extra silky, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Now you'll want to save half of the sauce to glaze the salmon and half for serving. And now let's put together this gorgeous mango salsa. Mangoes are one of those fussy fruits where you can't simply cut it in half and pop out the pit. You have to cut the flesh away from the pit. You can simply cut the flesh in a diagonal and then scoop out with a spoon or use a knife. You'll want to slice the jalapeno and then scoop out the flesh and the seeds. Thinly slice and then finely dice. And you'll do the same with the tomato. Slice and then dice into about 1/4 inch. And we're going to add a little bit of finely diced red onion. And we can't have a fresh salsa without cilantro. You'll just need to chop it coarsely. Add a generous squeeze of lime juice and salt to help bring out all the flavors. This salsa is fresh and perfect to serve with salmon. We're going to cover and chill our salsa until ready to use. Alright, I have my grill heating to about 400 degrees, and while that's warming up, we're just going to do a little bit of prep on the salmon. It's important that you pat your fish dry. Mix together salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. And we're going to coat our fish evenly on both sides. Alright, I have the plank that has been soaking, and we're simply going to lay the salmon fillets evenly spaced on the plank, and you should be able to fit 4 on one plank. But I'm only cooking 2 today. And now we're going to brush the salmon fillets with a portion of our reserved glaze. Okay, we're going to get this on the grill. And you'll want to cook the salmon for 12 to 20 minutes, depending on your grill, basting once or twice. So here's our salmon right off of the grill. You can see it's still even smoking a little bit. You'll want to cover your fish to let it rest for about 5 minutes. You can do that while it's on the plank or move it to a serving platter. The fish will rise about 5 degrees in temperature as it rests. You really just can't beat it. Salmon grilled on a cedar plank, served with a fresh mango salsa. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, and we'll see you again.